Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. You want this hair color that is easier to maintain, or are you looking for a style that is more practical? A kind of style for your graying coils. If that is what you want, I just want you to please sit down, watch this video to the end. This haircut is a hairstyle today. It's a hairstyle that will bring those healthy shine back to your ringlets with this modern look. And one thing about the style is that it's always a great option, especially when you have the round face, the oval face, and for women that want to try some new styles. This haircut keeps your face from looking too wide and creates that balanced face framing look. So when styled properly, this haircut return from this to this beautiful rejuvenating haircut that is playful. I love this style because it's really a living proof that natural haircut looks stunning at any end. So with this style, your hair will become more defined and voluminous. And the best thing about this cut is that you really don't need to spend hours on styling. It's just that wash and go style which every woman wants, and that is what I want, because I don't need to stress in front of the mirror. I want the style that I wake up from morning, I take my bath, and I'm good to hit the road. And I know that's what you guys want, okay? So I have you guys in mind, and today I want you guys to please watch this video to the end. No matter your face shape, no matter if your hair is thin or thick, please watch this video to the end, because it will help you put yourself together and make it look gorgeous. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Styles, because short hairstyles lives here, and we're here to bring the best of short natural haircuts to you. Thanks a lot. God bless you, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.